Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get a Diwali new kit and also 10,000 gems in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So for example, if you do not know how to change the kit, you can tap your club, go to the locker room and tap this kit. You can change the kit here. And what I want to show you how you can get a new kit, a Diwali one. Let's get back to the main page and tap this quest and scroll down this one, Road of Glory quest. So you can get this Diwali. Unlock a new kit, go to setting and change your kit. Diwali EA Sport and also 10,000 of gems that you can use to get item pack and start over. So what you need to do first is go to the tournaments, win the championship in tournament on minimum beginner difficulty like a Champions League in beginner difficult. Go versus attack and reach the amateur 3 and go to head reach the amateur 2. So after you finish all of this, you can claim Diwali and also 10,000 of gems. So challenge yourself in this quest, Word of Glory. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click that button below. Enjoy the game.